What do you do?
I study in school.
How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Sangeeta.
How much water do you drink daily?
I drink 8 glasses of water.
Who helps you with homework?
My mom helps me.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Does your friend play cricket?
Yes, he does.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is mine.
Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Whom do you call?
I call my friend.
Are they coming?
Yes, they are.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Which book do you read?
I read a science book.
How much sugar do you take?
I take 1 spoon of sugar.
Who is your best friend?
Mac is my best friend.
How many hours do you study?
I study for 2 hours.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
How do you know me?
I have seen you in my school.
What does your father do?
My father is a civil engineer.
Does your sister cook well?
Yes, she does.
How about your father's work?
It's going well.
Am I late?
No, you are not.
Whom do you trust?
I trust my family.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs for breakfast.
How do you spend your free time?
I play cricket.
Do you know me?
Yes, I know you.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
Who teaches you math?
Mr. Peter teaches me math.
How many pets do you have?
I have 1 dog.
When does school start?
School starts at 8 a.m.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from school.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the market.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
Are you ill?
Yes, I am having a fever.
Am I interrupting?
No, you are not.
Whom do you admire?
I admire my father.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited because my brother is coming.
What do you wear to school?
I wear a uniform.
How does this work?
It works with batteries.
Which subject do you like?
I like math.
How much time do you need?
I need 5 minutes.
Who calls you daily?
My friend calls me daily.
How many apples do you want?
I want 2 apples.
When does the train leave?
It leaves at 9 a.m.
Where were you?
I was in the restroom.
Where do you sit in class?
I sit near the window.
Does your mom bake cookies?
Yes, she does.
When did you come?
I came yesterday.
Am I too early?
Yes, you are early.
Whom do you support?
I support my friends.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am coming.
What's up these days?
Nothing special, as usual.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thank you.
Which city do you want to visit?
I want to visit Paris.
How much water is in the bottle?
There is 1 liter.
Who takes care of your dog?
I take care of my dog.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on weekends.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
Where do you hang out with friends?
We hang out at the park.
Does your dad drive?
Yes, he does.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Am I disturbing you?
No, you are not.
Whom do you email?
I email my teacher.
Are your friends joining us?
Yes, they are joining.
What do you need for school?
I need my books.
How do you solve this?
I use a calculator.
Which team do you support?
I support the home team.
How much time do we have?
We have 10 minutes.
Who tells you jokes?
My brother tells me jokes.
How many pencils do you have?
I have 3 pencils.
When do you exercise?
I exercise in the evening.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
How was your day?
Not so good.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
Is she your teacher?
Yes, she is.
Am I in the wrong class?
No, you are in the right class.
Whom do you invite?
I invite my friends.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
What do you think about this?
I think it's great.
How do you spell that?
I spell it like this.
Which game do you prefer?
I prefer Ludo.
How much homework do you have?
I have a lot of homework.
Who brings lunch?
I bring my lunch.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.